Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create AI viral motivational video for short, reels, or TikTok. Okay, let's get into it guys. First thing first, you need to go to your browser and then you have to search for this website ai.invideo.io, and after that you're going to give the AI a topic, language, and detailed instruction. And I'm just going to paste the command I have just created. Actually, I'm using ChatGPT to create this command. For example, I'm going to create a motivational video about how to stop worrying and start living. And then after we have added the command, we can click on generate a video. Okay. And just wait for a moment. Okay, and here we have to choose the audience. I'm going to select young adults. And for the look and feel, I'm going to select this one, inspirational. And for the platform, I'm going to choose YouTube Short. Then we can click on continue. Okay, and we just need to wait until the process completed. Okay, and now the video has been created, and if you're not satisfied with the result, you can give the AI a command to edit the video, but I'm just going to leave it like that, and I'm going to show you how the video looks like. I'm going to play the video.
Am I the only one that didn't know how much fear was running my life? Time to take control. Fear, it's something we all face, but it doesn't have to control us. Imagine letting...
Okay, and after that, if you want to download the video, you can click on download. Okay, and here I'm just going to choose stock watermarks because I'm not a premium user. And then for the AI branding, I'm just going to choose normal. And for the resolution, I'm going to choose this one. Then we can click continue, and the video will be saved to our device. Alright guys, and that's all the way to create AI viral motivational video for YouTube Short, Instagram Reels, or TikTok. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.